Hello everyone, my name is Jason Zhu, and today I'll be presenting my research project titled A Cost-Effective Landing Detection Approach in Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Search and Rescue. This project was completed under the guidance of my mentor, Aniket Bire from Texas A&M University. Search and rescue missions often take place in high-risk environments, such as wildfire zones, flood regions, or remote mountains where GPS signals are weak. Drones or UAVs are extremely useful in these situations because they provide rapid aerial access and can navigate places traditional vehicles cannot. But one major challenge limits their effectiveness. Drones must be able to quickly identify safe, flat, and obstacle-free landing zones during emergency operations. Without an accurate landing detection system, UAVs are restricted in how effectively they can support real-time SAR missions. My research proposes a cost-effective computer vision approach that allows drones to detect safe landing areas using only 2D RGB images, reducing the need for heavy or expensive sensors. Search and rescue environments are often chaotic, with unstable and unpredictable terrain. Despite these challenges, drones must still be able to reliably identify safe areas to land, whether for delivering critical supplies or making an emergency touchdown. Many existing landing zone detection systems rely on LiDAR, which can build precise 3D models of terrain. However, LiDAR is bulky, expensive, and computationally demanding, making it unsuitable for lightweight drones with limited onboard hardware. Computer vision models, on the other hand, are far more lightweight and accessible, but when used alone, for example, only object detection or only depth, they often struggle with complex terrain, irregular shapes, or objects that blend into their surroundings. This highlights the need for a more complete system, a hybrid method that can combine semantic understanding, geometric reasoning, and depth information to improve landing zone detection while staying cost efficient. The key research question guiding this project is how can lightweight UAVs autonomously land while limited in cost and computational power in remote terrain? This project proposes a hybrid computer vision pipeline, combining object detection, semantic segmentation, and monocular depth estimation, attempting to improve landing zone detection accuracy while reducing hardware demands. This would allow drones to operate safely in remote or GPS-denied conditions using only camera imagery, with the main goal of expanding search and rescue capability. The proposed pipeline integrates three key deep learning components. Number one, YOLO V8 object detection. This model identifies major obstacles, primarily trees and buildings, using bounding boxes. Number two, YOLO V8 semantic segmentation. This is essential for detecting water bodies, which often have irregular shapes that bounding boxes cannot capture accurately. And number three, depth anything V2 monocular depth estimation. This model predicts per pixel depth from a single RGB image, allowing the system to assess terrain flatness and elevation changes. By combining these three components, the pipeline produces a more complete understanding of the scene. All trained models' weights were then fused together in a Python script. The system runs object detection, semantic segmentation, and depth estimation sequentially, and then applies fusion logic to filter out obstacles, water regions, and areas with steep slopes or uneven surfaces. Finally, the script overlays a green mask to visualize safe landing zones. This creates an interpretable output showing exactly where a drone can and cannot land. Having covered the fusion logic and system workflow, we can now turn to the performance results, beginning with object detection. The YOLO V8 object detection model was trained on 8,054 aerial images, including diverse concentrations of trees, buildings, and terrain types. The model performed strongly, achieving a final performance of 93.9% mean average precision, 91.2% precision, and 87.3% recall. Average precision for each class was 94%. Tree detection reached up to 95% precision, and building detection reached up to 92%. These results show the model reliably identifies major hazards found in remote terrain. The YOLO V8 seg model was trained on a dataset of 6,061 images of various different types of water bodies. It achieved a mean intersection over union of 90.4%, which means its predicted masks closely match the true shapes of water bodies. This is important because water can vary greatly in shape, and segmentation allows the system to exclude hazardous water regions with far more accuracy than bounding boxes alone. For monocular depth estimation, Depth Anything V2 was trained on 6,473 images and produced consistent depth maps. Performance metrics included an overall accuracy of 46.8%, a training loss of 0.0012, a validation loss of 0.0022, an absolute relative error of 0.21, and a root mean square error of 0.852. These depth maps revealed elevation differences and helped determine whether terrain was flat enough for landing. By integrating all three results, the system successfully generated safe landing zone masks. Shown below are two cases, one where the algorithm determines that the area is unsafe versus a case where there are potential safe landing zones. From left to right, you can see the object detection output, the depth map output, and the final completed version of the predictions. This pipeline has several key strengths. It merges both semantic and geometric reasoning. It also accurately identifies major hazards such as trees, buildings, water, and terrain slope. It produces interpretable visual masks, making results easy to understand. And it offers a cost-effective alternative to LiDAR, making it suitable for smaller drones. However, limitations still remain. Object detection struggles with green-on-green environments where trees blend into vegetation. Depth estimation sometimes overfits, while detection underfits in cluttered forest scenes. Lighting variations and low texture surfaces can also affect performance. Overall, the system shows strong promise but still requires refinement before real-world deployment. In conclusion, this project developed a hybrid computer vision system capable of detecting safe landing zones for UAVs using only RGB images. By combining YOLO V8, YOLO V8 seg, and Depth Anything V2, the system identifies obstacles, detects water, evaluates terrain depth, and produces clear landing zone masks. This demonstrates a cost-effective and computationally efficient alternative to LiDAR-based systems and provides an important step towards improving UAV autonomy in search and rescue missions, especially in GPS-denied environments. Future directions include adapting the pipeline to specific drone hardware, including the drone's size and camera altitude, as well as computer limitations. Incorporating IMU and altimeter data for more accurate terrain interpretation, expanding the dataset to reduce overfitting and handling more edge cases such as varied lighting, green-on-green environments, and more diverse terrain types, reducing overfitting and underfitting by improving object class balance and adding more challenging samples, and ultimately optimizing the pipeline for real-time onboard processing and conducting full field tests on actual UAV platforms. These steps will bring the system closer to real-world search and rescue deployment. Here are the references I used to build my research project and paper. Finally, I would like to thank Aniket Bire, mentor from Texas A&M University, in helping guide and support my research paper and overall journey. Thank you, and I hope today's presentation provided both a deeper understanding and valuable insights into this research.